everybody. My name is Bianca Broos. I'm a business and branding strategist, and I am so glad that we get to reconnect on this platform. Listen, I know you have a ton of choices in who to listen to, so I feel really lucky and honored to have your ear for just a few minutes. As a business strategist and a branding strategist, I get to work with clients on what they want to do and why they want to do it and how they can reach their target audience and their clients and their customers best for their business. And one of the topics that comes up often is, how do I create a routine in my business that serves me and serves my process and then ultimately serves my clients? Listen, I get it. When you are a creative entrepreneur, when you are somebody who works tirelessly, maybe this is your number one and only endeavor. And perhaps, like many solo entrepreneurs, you have a couple of other side gigs and side hustles. Maybe you even have a full-time job that you do, and your entrepreneurial endeavor happens on your off time. Whatever situation you may be in, however you are currently structuring your creative endeavor, however you are exercising your entrepreneurial muscles, I know that often a routine can feel stifling. It can feel like, this is just not what I want to do. I want to be more free-formed. I don't want to be in a rut. Wait. A routine is not a rut. A rut is something that is formed by the wheels of a vehicle. Think, horse and buggy times, crossing the prairie. That is where this idea of, I don't want to get into a rut, came from, because travelers would follow in other people's marks of their wheels, and they got stuck in those ruts. When you are creating a routine, you are not trying to do something that somebody else is doing that works for them. You are trying to figure out what your processes might be for your business in your endeavor that serve you. Routines are already in your life. Most of us wake up in the morning and we brush our teeth and we brush our hair, we get ready for our day. If you are a coffee addict, you will have your 9 cups of coffee. That's a routine. You already do what you are used to and what hopefully is working for you. Recently in the agency, Bianca Broos Business and Branding Agency, we've discovered that in order for us to be most effective and most efficient, not just for our clients, but also the work that we want to do, the work that I want to do, YouTube, and this conversation being one of those things, in order for us to be able to do that, we have to create a couple of routines that at first, because they're new to me and my team, may feel a little bit constricting, may feel a little bit new, may feel foreign. We may not necessarily know what the outcome is going to be of the routine and the process that we're engaging. But, and here's the key, when you create your routine, I would like you to think of the desired outcome. What is the goal that you're aiming to achieve? We are going to talk about how to make SMART goals in another episode. But for now, I want you to simply sit down and think, what is the goal of my work? Why am I doing this thing that I'm doing? And again, it doesn't matter if this is your full-time endeavor or your part-time endeavor. You have goals. You're doing this with an initiative and a purpose. And then ask yourself, what are the tasks and what are the actions that I have to take daily or regularly to achieve my goal? Are they already in my process, or do I have to build them in? And then ask yourself, what do I need to build these tasks and these actions into my daily or weekly or regular schedule? You have tools and you have strengths and you have skills. Those are the components you need for setting up a routine. And don't forget that you can ask for help. You can ask me and my team. You can leave a comment. You can subscribe to our outlets on social media. We're on Instagram, I'm on LinkedIn, on Facebook. You can find me everywhere and anywhere. BiancaBroos.com. Subscribe to this channel and we'll have these conversations and hopefully add a ton of value to you and your endeavor. I will see you next time. Don't be afraid of routines. They're not a rut. Make them consciously and mindfully with your value proposition and your business and your goals in mind. Bye.